Hi there, it's John Kiersett from Arctic Spas. Wanted to talk to you a little bit about our cover. First of all, the cover is perhaps the most important spot to insulate. You know, like in your home, this is the attic of the spa, right? So hot air rises, we want to make sure that this is going to be well insulated. So our covers are very thick, 5 to 4 inch tapered cover. So the rain can still roll off of it. But anybody that's owned a hot tub before will tell you eventually these things get heavier and heavier and heavier, and you have to ask yourself, well, why is that? It's because this foam inside here, we put it in a plastic bag, but that plastic bag only keeps out liquid water, right? What it doesn't keep out is vapor, right? Steam. So when the steam from the hot tub goes, it can go right through that bag and slowly gets absorbed into the foam. And as the foam gets wet, it's kind of like if I took your jacket and I dunked it in the water. It loses its ability to insulate. So what we have is a patent on a product called Milovac. And so if you see the insert of foam inside here, it's a metallized bag. So I tell people it's kind of like if you look at coffee, you know, when you buy your coffee, it's in that steel vacuum bag. The reason why you want to have a layer of metal here is that prevents the transfer of gas, right? So the vapor now is vapor barriered from getting into there. So the water doesn't get in there, so the foam stays dry. The foam that's dry is going to give you great insulation, right? Now in addition, this has a steel reinforcement inside this foam, which makes it very strong. So I'm going to get Dwayne here to help me, and we're going to show you just how strong this cover is. Now, don't do this at home, kids. Don't jump and have a party. But the fact is that if you get 4 feet of wet snow on top of here, or 3 or 4 of your fat buddies happen to stand there, or the dog jumps on it, it's not going to break the cover, right? It's not going to break the cover. This is the strongest cover on any spa sold in Canada. That's it.